it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with day 10 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. So this is today's sketch, and it is by Linda Mowat, the scrapbooking photographer on YouTube. So I have changed my sketch up a little bit, but I'm going to follow it mostly. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style, and I am doing these journaling prompts this month. These are pinned over on my Facebook group that's linked below in the featured section. And I have just been skipping around. If you've been watching, I have really been trying to get back to the really grassroots of scrapbooking and telling the story and doing some journaling so that those who come after me can look at my albums and know the story without me being there to tell them, which I think is important with scrapbooking. You know, our photos are important, but our story is just as important as the photos. So I hope that this encourages you and gives you a jumping off point also to journal. There are lots of different ones of these, different prompts. So this one's gratitude journaling about people in your life. And today I am doing family memories that make you laugh. So I am telling a story about barbecue ice cream. And this is my photos of us at a little ice cream shop that actually isn't around anymore. And I AI generated some flowers that I thought would match in the colors. I have this little ice cream that I got in a swap by Melinda Gustafson. And this barbecue title, I don't know who created it. I have some stickers I may or may not use. I have two papers I pulled from my stash. And I have my journaling done. So it says, one of our funniest family memories happened at a little local mom and pop ice cream shop called Soups and Scoops, which sadly isn't around anymore. We'd gone there to get some good old Mayfield hand-dipped ice cream, and after everyone picked their favorites, Blake chose his usual rainbow sherbet. We sat down at a table enjoying our treats and chatting when Blake noticed a bottle sitting nearby. Thinking it was chocolate syrup, he decided to pour some over his sherbet, despite me warning him that probably wasn't a good idea. Because, I mean, chocolate and sherbet, it's not a good fit. The look on his face when he took that first bite said it all. It wasn't chocolate syrup at all, but barbecue sauce. We all burst into laughter and still laugh about it to this day every time the story comes up. So, this is going to be a really easy layout to put together. I've already, of course, matted my photos. Actually, I used 3 sheets of paper because I used the one I matted with and then these two. And I've just pulled them from my stash, like I said, to kind of build like a little mini kit. And I have these stickers that I've had for a long time I would really like to use up, but I don't know if I will. And I also have these that I got for $1. I think these came from either Dollar General or Walmart. I don't remember which, but it's been a minute that I've had them. Alright, so on the sketch, it has 6 vertical photos. All of mine were horizontal, so that is what I'm going to go with. And then I'm only using 4 photos because that is what I had. And let's see here. Kind of line them up. And then I matted my journaling on one that was the same size, so it could kind of count as another picture, even though I'm not doing mine all together like they did, and I'm switching my titles on different sides than what the sketch shows. But that's always the fun of a sketch. You can switch it up ever how you need to make it work for you. It's pretty much just a jumping off point. I'm going to hide that the edges aren't complete where I cut them off the sides of the paper. It was so funny. You can see Blake was holding his nose in this one after he took a bite. I mean, honestly, we all thought it was chocolate syrup. I mean, we went to this ice cream shop. It was like a little mom and pop type thing, and it was new, but we went all the time to get hand-dipped ice creams. And we wondered, you know, well, why would they have chocolate syrup out? You would think that would cost more, but, I mean, we really honestly did not think about it. We, you know, honestly, we all thought it was chocolate syrup. So, I have to say, it was pretty funny whenever he put it on there and took a bite, and it was not. So, alright, let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there so I can see where everything else needs to go. Don't want to cover up my writing for sure. And then let's see. This is a really cute ice cream. It's super layered. It has lots and lots of layers on it. And then this barbecue title I am going to pop up. I can honestly say I never had barbecue ice cream, nor do I want to. It just does not sound good, and according to Blake, it does not taste good either. Let's see, I might can work in a little bit of this. I am going to add a little bit of glue because these aren't the stickiest. I've had them for a long time. I think I'll use this OMG. And let's see here. I would like to use some of these ice creams, but I may not. Also, if you haven't been watching, I would love for you to check out some of the other videos. I have been trying to remember to add a link at the end of the video to the playlist so that it will, if you click it, it will take you to the playlist with all the other layouts this month that have focused on journaling. Also, I would like to invite you to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And I would also like for you to hit that subscribe button if you're not yet a subscriber. It does show that most of my people who watch are not subscribed regularly. So let's try to fix that. Let's see here. I feel like that one really kind of blends in. I don't want to do that. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave that as is. I think I am going to put that up there, but I'm going to cut off this little speech bubble thing. Alright, so that is pretty much going to be my layout. I hope that this inspires you to journal your own stories and that you guys enjoyed this. And until next time, bye y'all.